Hello friends, this is Steven. Nice to see you again. Today I would like to introduce you 4 cameras vehicle surveillance systems for you. This system composed of 2 side cameras, 2 cameras for front and rear view, 4 cables including 3 5 meters cable, 1 pieces 20 meters cable, MDVR, and V 7-inch vehicle monitor. Okay, let's open the box of the MDVR and monitor. The MDVR is composed of MDVR, alarm and serial cable, power cable, AV cable, 2 keys, remote control, GPS antenna, CD, and the user menu. The monitor is composed of a 7-inch monitor, 1.5 VGA cable, a remote control, DC power cable, a bracket, and a sticker. Okay, so let's see its collections. Before powering the MDVR, let's insert the SD card inside. Okay, inside the SD card. Okay, let's lock it. Okay, then let's collect the cable, power cable. You can collect, for testing purpose, you can collect the red cable and yellow cable together with the monitor cable, positive together, like collect it. For installing on the vehicle, you should collect the yellow cable to the ACC signal to start the MDVR. Okay, so let's check the collections of the whole systems. You can collect the 4 cameras with the extension cable, and then collect this to the 4 AV audio input. Okay, channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4. Okay, then you collect the monitor's VGA cable to the MDVR, and then you collect the GPS antenna here, and then here is the alarm and serial cable. Okay, you can collect to some accessories. And now you can see just now we put this power cable here. Okay, so let's see this video, live video. These 4 camera systems can be installed on vehicles like truck, van, buses, and etc. for mobile video surveillance. If you have any question, please feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching. See you next time.